So now in this problem, we are putting all the properties that we've learned together in order to expand logarithmic expressions, and then simplify if possible. In this problem, we're told to use the properties of logarithms to expand the logarithm log base 2 of 5x to the fourth y squared, and to simplify if possible. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you'll notice what's in parentheses, is a product. So we're first going to use the product rule. So this equals, we'll go ahead and write it back down again so it's right here, log base 2 of 5x to the fourth y squared. We're going to write that as a product, or as a sum of the product. So log base 2 of 5 plus log base 2 of x to the fourth plus log base 2 of y squared. Now with this first part, it doesn't really look like it will simplify. There's no way we can put 5 with an exponent and a base of 2, and then an exponent. So we're going to go ahead and just write that back out again, log base 2 of 5. Now, can we simplify further these other expressions that are part of the sum? We can, because log base 2 of x to the fourth, we know that we can bring that exponent down to the front. That's going to be 4 log base 2 of x. And then we can do the same thing with the y squared. Bring the 2 down to the front. Log base a of x to the y is y log base 2 of x. So in other words, log base 2 of y squared, we bring the 2 down to the front, and this equals 2 log base 2 of y. And it doesn't appear that will simplify further either. So if we're expanding the logarithm log base 2 of 5x to the fourth y squared, we first use the product rule, or the product property, to write the product as the sum of separate logarithms of the factors of that product. And then we used the power property on the second two parts to give us our final expression of log base 2 of 5 plus 4 log base 2 of x plus 2 log base 2 of y.